Good day, here's the latest news for today. Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan urged all the employees of the provincial capital who are undergoing home quarantine to report to their respective offices the moment their PCR test results show a negative result unless their house is identified as the source of the infection. He also stressed out that the actual vaccination program of the government may happen in the middle of February and identified a vaccine administration policy that will be followed in the whole country. Here's Danny Abshama Jr. for the details.
Yes, Jing. The Provincial Health Office, with the supervision of Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, reminded all the employees of the provincial capital during its virtual flag-raising ceremony regarding proper home quarantine protocols. All employees undergoing home quarantine shall be directed to report to their respective offices once the PCR test result turns negative, unless their house is the source of the infection. He also stressed out that capital employees who have undergone PCR test should monitor themselves for any COVID-19 related symptoms such as fever, cough, and colds. He added that the Provincial Health Office, in coordination with the Department of Health 10, under the watch of DOH Assistant Regional Director Dr. Elenira Gamolo and Provincial Department of Health Office Head Dr. Joy Torrecampo, conducted an interlocal health zone orientation for COVID-19 vaccine development and vaccination program to all 23 municipalities and 2 cities health workers last January 25 until January 29, in preparation for the implementation of the nationwide immunization which may come very soon. Also, he announced that the actual vaccination program may happen on the mid of February and stated that the frontline health workers will be prioritized in the vaccination. During the rollout for the briefing and orientation in the municipalities and cities, vaccine administration policy was set to 3 areas prior to vaccination, namely the waiting area, registration area, and counseling, health, education, and consent area, while other 3 areas are identified for vaccination, namely screening area, vaccination area, and post-vaccination monitoring area. Waiting time in the post-vaccination monitoring area will last for 30 minutes to 1 hour to ensure physical well-being of patients after administration of the vaccine, after which monitoring for another year will follow. There will only be 100 vaccinations per day, and Dr. Jerry Kalingasan assured that the vaccine is safe and effective, and everyone from the priority list will have their appointment once the vaccine becomes available. This is Danny Abshama Jr., aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Danny. In another story, despite of the ongoing battle the world is facing right against COVID-19, accompanied with a new normal form of living, the people of Misamis Oriental under the leadership of Governor Bambi Emano is not just surviving, but is thriving and has been unstoppable in reaching new heights, proving that the legacy and success of its flagship program of tourism will still be the best way to open new opportunities once the pandemic is over. Here's Regian, my guy, for the story.
Yes, Jing, as it has been an undying character of all Filipinos to remain resilient even through facing drastic and vast problems, the same goes for the people of Misamis Oriental. Along this pandemic, the good governance and leadership of Governor Bambi Emano never ceases to continuously highlight the varied success stories in the 23 municipalities and 2 component cities of the province. Mentioning one is a now unleashed and recently inaugurated Claveria Hingoog Tourism Complex and Botanical Garden. Remark to emanate joy, love, and hope in every person who visits the place as well as to the people who plans to visit it in the future. Quenching her desire to set foot in the newest remarkable tourist spot found in Misamis Oriental, Department of Tourism Region 10 Regional Director Ms. Marie Elaine Onchuan was amazed with its splendid natural beauty, which has been improved further as Governor Bambi casted reality on the dream to move Misamis Oriental to greater heights.
Misamis Oriental Tourism Complex and Botanical Garden is a place of remembrance, it's a place of love, it's a place of hope. And of course, from tragedies like this, makita man yun nato ang resilience sa Filipinos. Grabe makaita ni agi na taog inaning crisis, si adi na tagsendong, ni agi na taaning COVID pandemic, but we're still here, we're resilient, we're hopeful, we're very hopeful for the future, and nagsalig yun ta sa Ginoo.
Quoted from R.D. Onchuan. During an interview with Misamis Oriental Governor Bambi Emano, he assured that the place is being secured all the time and that everyone won't have to worry with their safety. Even more protocols are always being followed. The Misamis Oriental Tourism Complex and Botanical Garden, like Governor Bambi Emano's all the other projects, hopes to eventually create a rippling effect and bringing a light resiliency for everyone struggling or in a desperate need for the will to move forward. To note, as of February 4 this year, 4 new cases of COVID-19 were recorded in the province of Misamis Oriental. The province also tallied a total of 1,550 confirmed cases, but only 133 are in active status, while the remaining 1,373 have all fully recovered. This is Regian Maigay, aim towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing.
Thanks, Reg. And that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. This is Jing Kerosit. Good day.